Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about Cash App customer support contact guide. First things first, Cash App doesn't have a direct phone number or for live customer service. So if you see a number online claiming to be from Cash App support, be careful. It might be a scam. The safest way to contact them is directly through the app. Here is how to do it. Open your Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on support. You will see a list of common issues, things like payment problems, login help, or account access. If your issue is listed, tap on it to see suggested solutions. If you still need help, scroll to the bottom and tap chat with support or contact support. From here, you can describe your issue and start a message conversation with a real support agent. This is the most direct and secure way to get help from Cash App. Now, if you don't have access to the app or your account is locked, there is still a way. Go to Cash App slash cash.app slash help using any browser. You can browse help articles or scroll down to tap contact support at your bottom of the page. From there, log in with your email or phone and explain your issue. A quick tip: be specific about your problem and include any relevant details like the date of the transaction or error message. This helps support assist you faster. Also, never share your sign in code or PIN with anyone, not even with someone claiming to be from Cash App. Real support agents will never ask for that info or your passwords. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and ring the bell if you want to get notified for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.